In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove error message in Microsoft Store. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to clear the Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows key and R key together and type for wsreset.exe and click on the OK button. In this way, you'd be able to clear or remove the cached or the junk files in your Microsoft Store. Once you are done with this, please proceed to the next solution, and that is here at the search box, type for PowerShell. Then after this, I want you to run for the best match and click on as administrator. So you need to copy the command that I have provided at the YouTube description. Please copy it and paste it here at the PowerShell. So I want you to copy, Control C to copy, okay? So Control C, Control A first, then Control V to paste. Okay, click on the enter key in your keyboard, and then once you are done, finally restart the PC and your problem will be fixed. Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.